Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading on the MEXC platform. If you're new to crypto or looking for a reliable exchange, MEXC is a fantastic choice. MEXC offers a user-friendly interface, competitive trading fees, and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies to trade. Whether you're looking to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or explore lesser-known altcoins, MEXC has you covered. But that's not all. Using the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 makes your trading experience even better. By entering the referral code 12K4M5 when you register, you unlock a range of exclusive benefits. First and foremost, you'll enjoy reduced trading fees, which is a huge advantage for both new and seasoned traders. Lower fees mean more of your profits stay in your pocket. Additionally, using our referral code grants you access to exciting promotions and bonuses that are only available to users who sign up through this code. It's a win-win situation. You get to trade smarter while enjoying extra rewards. Also, MEXC boasts an impressive selection of trading pairs, ensuring that you can diversify your portfolio with ease. Their advanced trading features, such as margin trading and futures contracts, are ideal for those looking to maximize their investment potential. So, if you're ready to take your cryptocurrency journey to the next level, head over to MEXC today. Don't forget to use the referral code 12K4M5 during registration. Not only will you enhance your trading experience, but you'll also contribute to the growth of our Crypto Horizon community. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto. Until next time, happy trading!